welcome to the Top Gun channel, where you're about to enter the danger zone of all food, drink, and other assorted reviews. Today I'm going to be trying out the new barbecue pulled pork sandwich from Dairy Queen, and this is their DQ Bakes. First time having this, never have seen the preview on it. So let's go ahead and I'll get the top of it here out for you guys and see what we have. Looks like they have a brioche bun, I believe is the name of it. Don't mind the noise, guys. This happens. I got Irish music going. I danced Irish a lot. Anyways, there we go. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. This is on, they literally filled this thing. So let's give it a shot. Not really a whole lot to talk about on it. Oh, they got some of it coming out too. I'm definitely getting the flavor of the brioche bun, that's for sure. Let me put that over there. I got some serviettes. That's what they call napkins in Australia, guys. I had to use those because I don't want to get a whole bunch of stuff all over the place. Let me try the second bite here. The first one just really didn't get a whole lot in what I was anticipating. So let me try a second one here and see if it works better. See if I get more of the flavoring. There we go. That way I don't eat the paper. Eating the paper is not good. They actually got some, tastes like onion petals as well. But the one thing I'm noticing is that they're lacking on the barbecue. They have like hardly any barbecue sauce on this thing. I don't know if that's because it was late at night or what, but I'm not tasting a whole lot there. Yeah, if you guys look at it, there's like very, very little barbecue sauce on that. So it's mostly just pulled pork and the bread itself. So I would have to say, on a scale from a speed to an extreme, with speed being 0 to 1, or 0 to 5, full throttle being from 5 to 9, and extreme going from 10 to 100. I'm gonna have to give the new Artisan pulled pork sandwich, I'm gonna have to give it a speed. They were lacking on the barbecue sauce. If they would have put in more, it probably would have made it a lot better. So speed is the lowest I'll go, and this is, if I was doing it through a number from 1 to 5, the rating on this in numbers would be a 2, just because of the fact that they lacked what they advertise. So that is the review for today. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also check the address down below if you guys want to send any fan mail. And until next time, everyone, let's fuel the jets so we can kick the tires and light the fires, because I feel the need for speed. Hashtag love thy neighbor. Man, this place should have done better.